How to attach files in Trello cards. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this boards option, and then in here we'll have to scroll down and then open or select a board. So in here, to attach a file on a Trello card, all we need to do is to select or open the card, and then after that, in here you will automatically see this option attachment. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here tap on this choose a file option. After that, it will automatically open our file manager on our desktop. In here, all you need to do is to select the file or document, photo, or video that you want to attach to your Trello card. After that, simply tap on this open option, and then after that, as you can see, that file is automatically attached here on my Trello card. So that's how easy we can attach files in Trello card. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!